Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs, and today we have another build from Hachette. The Eddie Stobart Moving the Nation, issue 85. Let's take a look what's coming in this pack. Looks like some kind of visor. Cab visor. Oh wow. Didn't expect that. Okay, great. Okay, wow. Interesting. Let's get on with this one. So, that's our awesome cab. Looking really, really good. With that, we have the visor and some screws, I presume. Just try to open it up. Oh. Doesn't want to open. This is plastic. Oh, really thin screws here. So just be careful here. On the side, I don't know if you can see that. We have 3 holes, maybe with the close-up camera, I'm not sure. Too close. Quite difficult to see that one. But there's, there you go, you can see 3 holes. And that will just, oops, line up with that. And with those screws we need DD 10 screws, so let's just open these up. We need 6 of these. Oh, just one more, hopefully one will fall out. They're stuck. Let's just open that up a bit more. And yep. I think with this we need quite a small screwdriver. Let's see. I have a PH 000. Let's see if this will fit. Yep, it looks like it. Okay, let's give this a shot. I think I could tilt it to the side like that. Yeah, it'll be good. Once I get one side in, the other side should go straight through. Excellent. So let's take a look, and that looks great. Wow, it's really coming on. I like that a lot. So let's get on with the other part. Haven't seen this in a very long time. You can see I've done a custom number plate. This was the original one, so I just made my own one. You can see. I've made also one for Mike from the World of Mike channel. He has one also, so yeah, really pleased how that came out. It's asking us to thread behind this panel with some screws, so we need DD 07 screws using my my PH0 screwdriver. It's just telling us that's to thread this through because there's some paint they saying Just makes it easier to screw in place after. You use the same screwdriver. More here. Should do it. Okay, let's just put this to the side. We have our awesome chassis that we need to now connect our front bumper to it. Quite an exciting part, but let's see, this could be also not an easy one. Would it be easier to turn it over? Let's just make sure. I think it would be much easier if we turn that over, so let's just carefully do that. Ready? Make sure you have it the correct way up with the number plate facing upwards. Oh yes, you could get to that now. So that's now in place and looking pretty awesome. I've done a bit of customizing on mine, so you can see I painted the front grille, a few bits and pieces on there, but that's looking really good. Really pleased. What we have done in this issue is the front bumper and the sun visor. Both are looking great. Let's see if we could get this in the camera view. Yeah, excellent. Really enjoyed that issue. And if you could hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and that will be helping us quite a lot. Thanks a lot again for watching. Look forward to seeing you all next time.